Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this tutorial, we will discuss all about student enrollments in LifterLMS. In students' enrollments, there are two parts. The first one is enrollment process, and the second one is enrollment status. So, as you can see, registered in this website, and I'm not enrolled in any of this course. So, I'm a new user for this website. So the first step I have to do, I have to sign up and then I will be able to access the course. And when I will click on enroll now, I will be able to register as well. So when I will enroll this course, I will register automatically for this website. So if I click on this access plan, and this access plan will redirect me to the checkout page. So now I have to add all the billing information such as my email address, password, first name, last name, and all the payment option. And when I will enroll, my account will be created automatically and I will enroll to the course. As it's a paid course, I will add my discount coupon. Now I'll click on buy now. And now I'm enrolled in this course successfully. I can access all the lesson easily now. And now I'm registered this website. And here is my student profile. You can say it's my account where I can see all my courses, my billings details, and all others information. And as now I am an existing customer for this website, I can easily enroll in other courses as well. For each course, there will be an access plan. I have to just sign in and I can enroll to any of the course. So here in this course, I have two access plan and you can create the access plan from your backend as an admin and as a teacher. So if I visit my WordPress dashboard backend, I will be able to create an access plan. We already have tutorial on how to create an access plan in LifterLMS. I will add that video link in the descriptions. You can create free, paid, recurring, and also you can set expiration date for the course as well. And this was all about the enrollment process. You have to just click on enroll and you will be enrolled in this course. And now the second step is the enrollment status. You can see here I have registered for this course. I can see the order as an admin. So here is the order that I just enrolled, and you can see the student enrollment from the right side, and here is the order is active and the status is enrolled because I just enrolled in this course. And we have two other options, which is expired and cancelled. So if I choose expired, so expired basically means that in the access plan we have this access expiration settings where you can choose if the course access will be lifetime or expires on a specific date, or maybe it will expires after 1 year. We can choose a specific time that course access plan will expire. So if we add a specific date that maybe on few days this course access plan will expire, that time in the order status we'll see that the status is expired. So you can choose the expiration date. Maybe after 1 year, the course will expire. That time I will lose the access for the course. And then we have this cancelled option. So when you have a recurring payment, your student will be able to cancel the subscriptions from their backend. So as a student, I can cancel the order subscriptions. So if I click on this order history and if I click on view, as a student, I will be able to see my order history. And here I have this button, which is cancel subscription. So as a student, I can cancel the subscription. And now if I refresh the backend as an admin, I will see the order status is now pending cancellation. So now manually as an admin, I can cancel this and I can update the order. If I update the order, the student enrollment status will be cancelled. Here is the cancelled. So now as a student, as my course is cancelled, so now I can't access the course. You can see the status of this course is cancelled And if I try to access this course, it's showing me the access plan again. If I want to join this course again, I have to enroll again. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.